I spent money on traffic magnets, and what happened next honestly surprised me. If you're like me, you've probably tried different ways to get traffic. YouTube videos, Pinterest paid ads, and still barely getting clicks. That's exactly where I was a few weeks ago. No traffic, no sales, just frustration. All I wanted was simple. A system that brings consistent traffic without spending hours every day and actually converts into sales. So I decided to test traffic magnets. Now, this isn't going to be a hype review. I actually bought it, went through it step by step, and I'll show you exactly what happened. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. Inside traffic magnets, you get traffic generation system, pre-built strategies, step-by-step training tools for automation. The dashboard is simple, not overwhelming, which is actually a good thing if you're a beginner. Here's how it works. Step 1, choose your traffic source. Step 2, follow their method. Step 3, apply templates. Step 4, drive traffic to your offer. Sounds simple, but here's where things got interesting. Day 1, setup. Day 2, started implementing, but on day 3, something unexpected happened. I actually started getting clicks. Not crazy traffic, but real people clicking. And that's when I realized this system is actually working. The creators behind traffic magnets are experienced marketers. They've launched multiple products before, which adds some credibility. I checked other reviews too. Most people are saying easy to follow, beginner-friendly, good for affiliate marketers, but not everyone is getting insane results. And that's important to understand. What I liked, simple system, beginner-friendly, doesn't require technical skills, can be used for affiliate marketing. Drawbacks, trust builder. Now let's be honest, not instant results requires effort, not a push-button system. And honestly, this might not work if you expect overnight success. The front-end price is affordable, but there are upsells. You don't need all of them to get started. Check the link in description for full pricing. Compared to other traffic tools, simpler than most, less overwhelming, but not the most advanced. This is for you if you're a beginner, you struggle with traffic, you want a simple system, avoid this. If you want instant results, you hate learning, you're not willing to take action. So, is traffic magnets worth it? Yes, but only if you actually use it. It's not magic, but it's a solid starting point for traffic generation. If you want to check it out, link is in the description. Also, I've included some bonuses if you get it through my link.